So this is a big problem. You don't get the Estonians out of their houses in the street to discuss it, to speak with them, and so on and so on. It's not possible. And when they go in bar and drink, only drink, yeah. So, and we have in Germany we have little bars. I don't know if you know it, very little ones. You know, only 20 people can go in there, not more. And they have not tables. They stand all at the what we say at the taker, have their beer, and they were discussing about everything,
politics,
everything of the world. You know.
Yeah.
This I miss here. The people must speak much more to each other than they do. But how can you do it? Tell me.
Something needs to happen to promote.
Yeah, but
that.
what? I said all time you must kick them all in the ass.
Yeah.
Everybody, you know. But they are. I don't know an English word for it. In German, I know it much better. They only they have like they built a wall around them.
Yeah.
Yeah, with a little window, and sometimes they look out, and that's it. Yeah. All, or not all, but 90% of the people.
Yeah.
It seems so. And how can you go there and speak with them? It's not possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think people need it. And in the past time, in the history of the Estonians, they lived out in a forest. And I had in the beginning a doctor, and she said to me, Klaus, we like sometimes to go in the town to Tallinn, but then we are really happy to be back in our forest again. This is what I think people like to stay alone. Mm-hmm. And it is said for this exhibition in Hannover 2000, maybe the world exhibition.
Yeah.
So they gave out a little brochure from Estonia.
Yeah.
Very good made, but it's also written there. We don't like companies. We like to be ourselves. Even in the kindergarten, they don't like to discuss or speak to each other. And I was at this time laughing about that. But now I think it's a little true. There are only a very few Estonians, they like to speak, and they speak. Mm-hmm. And all the others, they don't like to speak, and they do not speak, whatever you do. And if you go with them somewhere and say, oh, we drink the beer, and so they drink their beer, but they don't speak. So, why I should go with them, I can drink my beer at home by myself if nobody speaks with me, you know. No, there are some of these really problems nobody thinks about it.
Yeah.
Because it's not an argument or not a criterion to speak about. But I was always thinking why it is so. I was really seriously thinking why it is so. And I think more and more I get step by step closer to
the truth.
To the truth. And I don't know why. I know why the Estonians are so. They are from history. They don't live in big communities. That's okay. Sometimes I really like. When I was in Africa, I was only by myself. Sometimes I like to see somebody, but it was not possible. So I know the situation. But sometimes you like to speak to other people, not only to stay in your forest and speak with your trees because they know you, and they cannot give an answer. But how you can manage that? Take them out of the forest? I don't know.
Something has to threaten the forest, I think, and then you can get them out.
Yeah, but what?
I don't know, the police, home search.
Yeah, but I think they think, most think it's God's will, so they don't discuss about that also.
Could be, yeah.
Yeah, I discussed with several. They said, no, what government says, that's right. I said, no, it's not right.
Yeah, you must question the authority. I think it's also the Soviet past, because then the authority was very big and people thought that you cannot question the authority.
Yeah.
So it's too close to Soviet past. I think it still influences people.
Yeah.
And parents have told their daughters and sons, be quiet, listen to the authority, because they were afraid during Soviet times.
You must. Have you been in a court here when the court case was against these 4 guys, Klensky and so on?
No, but I followed it very closely from the
I was every day
news.
there.
You were there?
Yeah,
Okay.
every day.
Okay.
All the days.
And how it was?
I will not tell. And I said, the prosecutor was telling shit. 7.5 hours she was telling about what they have done.
Okay.
Who can tell 7.5 hours about, and then they said, oh yeah, then they have gone to telephone, and then they have gone to toilet, and that's shit. I don't understand that. And then they were discussing 1 hour which language they use.
Yes.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. And the judge says, it's Estonian, and the others say we don't understand Estonian, and it was. So after 1 hour, they decided everybody speaks in his language, and they have a translator.
Okay.